Cricut Maker 3. The ultimate crafting beast. Cut, engrave, and create like a pro. Unleash your inner artist with the Cricut Maker 3, the smart cutting machine that's 2x faster and 10x more powerful than its predecessors. Whether you're crafting custom t-shirts, personalized mugs, or intricate leather jewelry, this beast cuts through 300 plus materials like butter. With wireless Bluetooth connectivity and a cloud-based app, you'll have access to thousands of designs and endless possibilities. Plus, the bundle includes 30 digital images and a free trial of Cricut Access. Why settle for ordinary crafts when you can create extraordinary masterpieces? What makes the Cricut Maker 3 stand out? It's the Swiss Army knife of crafting. Compatible with 13 tools, it cuts, scores, writes, debosses, engraves, and more. The smart materials feature allows for precise, matte-free cuts up to 12 feet long, perfect for large projects. Compared to other machines, the Maker 3 offers unmatched versatility and power. It's not just a cutting machine, it's your ultimate crafting sidekick. Durability meets innovation in this powerhouse. Built to handle everything from delicate fabric to tooled leather, the Cricut Maker 3 is designed for both beginners and pros. The included premium fine-point blade ensures clean, precise cuts every time, while the free Design Space app guides you through every project. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned crafter, this machine is built to last and inspire. Why invest in the Cricut Maker 3? Because it's more than a machine, it's a game changer. The ability to cut 300 plus materials means you can tackle any project, big or small. The free trial of Cricut Access unlocks thousands of images and fonts, saving you time and money on design resources. Plus, the included beginner tutorials and expert-led courses make it easy to get started. Why settle for limited creativity when you can have endless possibilities? The Cricut Maker 3 isn't just a purchase, it's a gateway to endless creativity. With its sleek design, powerful features, and user-friendly app, it's the ultimate gift for crafters of all levels. From personalized gifts to home decor, the possibilities are limitless. Ready to transform your crafting game? The Cricut Maker 3 is waiting. Your next masterpiece is just a cut away.